I dropped out of college to pursue content creation on YouTube. Like most beginners, I thought monetization would come quickly. 3 months, maybe 6. It didn't. After almost a year of uploading, learning, failing, and trying again, I realized something important. I couldn't rely on YouTube alone to survive. That's when I discovered freelancing. Without really planning it, YouTube had taught me a skill, video editing. And for the first time, I saw a way to use something I already knew to earn online. But there was a problem. My power bank had been stolen. And in Nigeria, electricity isn't guaranteed. It's luck. So without a power bank, I couldn't edit consistently. And without consistency, freelancing couldn't even begin. I came home for the holidays and asked my parents for help. They weren't against me, they were just tired of hearing about online things. So time passed, weeks passed, and eventually I realized no one was coming to solve this for me. Right in front of my house, there was a road construction site. I knew the work would be hard. My parents told me not to go. They thought I wasn't strong enough. But I had one simple goal: work for a short time, save enough, buy a power bank, start freelancing. So one morning, I put on old clothes and showed up. We worked long hours, mixing sand, gravel, cement, carrying concrete, pouring it into drains under the sun. By the time I got home each day, I was exhausted. Eat, sleep, repeat. At first, my body struggled, then it adapted. After a little over 2 weeks, I had saved enough. I bought the power bank. And that's when something unexpected happened. A part of me wanted to quit immediately and go fully into freelancing. Another part of me wanted security. Bills don't wait for dreams to come true. And for the first time, I truly understood why people stay in jobs they don't love. Not because they are weak, but because uncertainty is expensive. Working at the site also taught me something else. Sometimes the people closest to you will try to protect you and unintentionally hold you back. If I had waited, I would still be waiting. I also met men at the site with real degrees, real qualifications, and no jobs. In a country like Nigeria, survival doesn't care about titles. That really stayed with me. This experience was a wake-up call. I have already chosen an unconventional path. There is no room for half-commitment. Even on days I came home tired, I still sent messages, still reached out to clients, still showed up. This video isn't about struggle, and it's not about motivation. It's documentation. Because before anything works, before the wins, before the freedom, there are moments like this. I'm Celestine, and I'm building my life, one honest chapter at a time.